Hello, this is Mr. Malay, and here is your video review for the quiz coming up on Thursday in U.S. history. Make sure you know the following terms: the Manhattan Project, the Enola Gay, militarization, Versailles, Blitzkrieg, Allies, Axis, Hideki Tojo, Robert Oppenheimer, Benito Mussolini. Make sure that you can tell me who Rosie the Riveter is. Make sure that you know the date that Pearl Harbor was attacked. That's December 7th, 1941, a day that will live in infamy. Also know the other terms: the Executive Order 9066, pacifists, Churchill, Stalin, VE Day, VJ Day, Truman, FDR, rationing, and Hirohito. Know that Germany signed a non-aggression pact with which country before the war started. Make sure you know what country Hitler was born in. Make sure that you know what country Hitler invaded to start the war. Make sure you know that Italy was a fascist country. Know what Blitzkrieg once again was. Know what a U-boat was. Things that you need to be able to answer short answer questions about. You need to be able to tell me Hitler, what he was like, how he rose to power, how he died. That is an essay question, which means it has to be full, complete sentences, at least 4 or 5 sentences. Personal relationships, things like that. Tell me how the Treaty of Versailles led to World War II. Make sure you can tell me what things were rationed during World War II, and at least one food and at least one non-food. Make sure you can tell me what American internment camps were like and who was assigned to them. Make sure you can tell me about how the Battle of Okinawa led to our decision to drop the bomb on Japan. Make sure you know what 2 cities got an atomic bomb dropped on them. Don't care about spelling for those. Make sure you can tell me about the Yalta Conference. And make sure you can tell me about World War II propaganda. Once again, this is an essay question. It will be complete sentences, at least 4 sentences. Tell me what it did, what was it trying to convince people to do, how it portrayed Germans and Japanese. If you can do all of those things, you will be ready to go for your quiz coming up on Thursday in U.S. history.